Good morning everybody, I'm stood by my clock, look at 1.8 million viewers, and look what's turned up today, a YouTube box. So I'm going to open this box live on the camera if I can. I might have to go and get some scissors. I've got a set of really big scissors here, but this has just turned up today, and this is an amazing moment for me because when I set this YouTube channel up, what's that, 12 months ago? Just over 12 months ago, you know, I'd never had any idea that my advice would be taken so dearly and people would really tap into me. I wanted to build up a trust wall for small business because there is a lot of bad small business advice out there, and really all I was trying to do is to really offer people good advice around small business. And what I've got today is my Creators Award, and I'll just share this with you. A letter from YouTube themselves saying about my 100,000 subscribers, and here is my Vision to Venture plaque, presented to Vision to Venture, Go True North Vision to Venture, for passing 100,000 subscribers. Look at that baby. Isn't that beautiful? So I'd just like to thank everybody who's supported me, who's helped me along the journey, who's been interviewed. This is a momentous occasion for me, so thank you very much.